दोस्तों ये हम कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश की न्यू राइम। चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आंट्स पे, आंट्स वर्क हार्ड, दे वॉक अ लॉन्ग वे। आंट्स वॉक अप हिल्स, दे वॉक आर स्टिक्स। Ants walk around holes with water. They walk over big rocks and old paper cups. What are they doing? They are looking for food. Maybe they are going to a picnic. It's a funny rhyme. Next करते हैं। The butterfly. A butterfly flies over the garden. It sees a red flower. The butterfly lands on the flower. It takes a drink from the flower. It is sweet. The butterfly takes another drink. Now it is full. The butterfly flies away. It's so funny. नेक्स्ट हम राइम कर रहे हैं मैक्स दी कैट। दिस इज पैट्स कैट, हिज नेम इज मैक्स। मैक्स ली लाइक्स फूड, ही ड्रिंक्स मिल्क फ्रॉम पैट्स बाउल फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, देन ही ईट्स कैट फूड। ही ईट्स बीफ फ्रॉम पैट्स लंच, then he eats more cat food. Pat gives him chicken from her dinner. Max is fat. So funny. Popcorn is easy to make. Put some, ये लिखा है how to make popcorn. Popcorn in a pot. Do you hear a noise? Pop. Do you hear more noise? Pop, pop. Do you hear a lot of noise? Pop, pop, pop. The popcorn can push the top of the pot. It can open the pot. It can make a mess. Very funny. Next, the bird. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree in the yard. The bird comes to my window. I open my window. The bird goes the tree. I put some bread outside my window. I tell the bird, look, it's yummy bread. The bread comes again. Very funny. Sandwich. How to make a sandwich? Let's see. चलो देखते हैं. I make a sandwich. I like beef on my sandwich. I like cheese too. My mother likes tomatoes. I do not like tomatoes. Yucky. But I like ketchup. I like ketchup on my sandwich. Yummy. Sorry. Let's go out. Two mice are hungry. One mouse says, let's go and find some lunch. They run through the yard. They run across the street. They run between two houses. They see a cat. They run away. One mouse says, let's eat at home. Next is Mike's bike. Mike likes his bike. His bike is red. Mike cleans it every day. His bike has big wheels. Mike looks for holes in them every day. His bike has a bell. Mike rings it every day. His bike can go fast. Mike rides it every day. Sorry. Clean your room. Bob's mom is mad. His room is a mess. She says, clean your room. Bob puts his toys under his bed. Bob put his dirty clothes under his bed. Bob puts his books under his bed. He says, my room is clean now. Next, the picnic. We are having a picnic at the park. We play, then we get hungry. We open the basket. There are sandwiches, yummy. There are chips, yummy. There are grapes, yummy. There is a watermelon, yummy. There is a chocolate cake, yummy. There are ants, yucky, yuck. Next is my morning. My alarm clock rings at 7 in the morning. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I put on my clothes. I eat eggs and drink orange juice for breakfast. I put my books in my bag. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Next rhyme is John's house. My friend Jones live in the country. There is a pond near his house. There are woods around the pond. There is a tall tree in the woods. There is a small house in the tree. It is our tree house. Very nice spot. Mary is looking for her dog. She sees some dirt by the door. The dirt looks like dog food. Mary sees more dirt on the car. She goes around the house to the backyard. She finds a Spot. Spot is playing in the garden. Spot means dog. She's mad at the Spot. दोस्तों यहाँ पर होता है वीडियो का एंड। इस वीडियो को कर दें एक लाइक, चैनल को कर दें सब्सक्राइब और अपने छोटे दोस्तों के साथ करें वीडियो को शेयर। मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक में जल्दी। जब तक के लिए गुड बाय दोस्तों।